Alright, welcome to Ribbon. In this course, we'll be learning C Sharp. It's for any and everybody that's willing to learn C Sharp and the basics of programming. Okay, so I'll teach you everything you need to know about C Sharp. C Sharp is a powerful programming language, and it's used in so many different applications, from web services to mobile desktop applications to games to mobile phone applications as well. So there's so many things you can actually do with it. Okay, we're going to start off by installing Visual Studios and create an account on SoloLearn. And SoloLearn is just a guide to help you get better at programming. It has a huge community that you could ask questions and you can test yourself to see where you're at and to improve your programming skills. Okay, so let's actually get started by installing Visual Studio. Alright. So first you want to install Visual Studio. You want to go to Visual Studio, Microsoft.com/downloads. And once you get to this page, you want to install the community version. Alright. And it should start downloading in the background. And this is just for installing Visual Studio, because Visual Studio, their recommendations, they tell you 2 gigabytes of RAM. They tell you that's the minimum, and that might be true, but if you're running Windows 10, good luck with that. Good luck with that. I would not do that. I would actually do something like, here's the hardware side of it, and I guess this is the best one. Quad core. They say 2 gigabytes of RAM, but I would get 8 gigabytes of RAM. I think 8 gigabytes of RAM would be the best thing. I have 6, so it struggles at times where my CPU is high. It's at 80%, and my RAM sometimes will be at 94%, but I run illuminators in the background that take about at least a gig. So I would say more than 4 gigs, you're fine. All right. Okay, so once you install Visual Studio, it should look something like, it should start off like this and work its way like that. Now, this is what I want to talk about. It's called the workloads. What you're going to need to have for your workload in these tutorials is .NET desktop development. So make sure this is clicked and you install that. It takes quite a lot. This is a huge application, and it's an IDE. An IDE is an integrated development environment, so it takes a while. But while this is running, you could go to your sololearn.com and create an account there, and it's free. It's free to use.